Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to join a club on Strava. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go and open up the official Strava application if you've not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone and from there search for Strava. So once you've found the application, you can get started with installing it. So go ahead and install it and open it up. So now that we have opened it up, we can go ahead and log into our account that we want to use within the application. Once you're logged in, now this is going to go and be the main page and the home page that you are greeted by. So here we can take a look at all the activities we can complete. We have our routes we can do, we can make plans and so on. And now we can go ahead and join a club. Once you join a club, you can go ahead and do activities with same people. You can measure against them and so on. And now we can go ahead and take a look how to do that. So right here at the bottom of the screen, as you can see, you have the sections tab. Here we can find all the sections we can access, such as home, groups, maps, and so on. And what we want to do is open up the group section. So in the bottom right corner, click on the group section. As you can see, guys, this is automatically going to open up the clubs section of Strava. So from here, you can either get started creating your own Strava club or you can join a club. So basically, you have two options. You can either join a club or you can go and find a different club that you want to join, all from here directly. You also have the magnifying glass in the upper left corner. This is the search bar that's going to enable you to search for any club that you want in the Strava application. Once you find the one that you want to join, just click on it, join it, and now you can go and communicate with the rest of the people in it. So that's how to do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.